Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix the TradingView stuck in dark mode. Theme would not change. So here is how you can easily fix. The step 1 is you can change the theme properly inside your TradingView application. You can go to menu. Now here you can click on setting icon in top right corner. Now go to themes and then here you can switch theme between it. Light or dark. It's upon you. Also if you want your system theme, you can simply enable this button to select the system theme settings. Step 2 is you can simple restart the app and device. So simple completely you can close the app. Now you can restart your device and then reopen the app again. Okay, this will fix the UI related problems in software. Step 3 is you can simple fix chart background. So in your trading view, every chart having its own background settings. Okay, so you can easily change the background in your trading view. First you can open the chart. Okay, and then after go to settings and then change the chart layout. My app will be stuck in black screen. You will see here. That's why I will not show you right now. The next step is you can simple clear the cache memory. So sometimes clearing a cache memory of the application can resolve many UI and software related problems. To do, open app info, long press on the app, click on app info settings. Now go to storage permission. Now click on clear the cache memory. After clearing, you can again open the app and then check that your issue is resolved or not. If not, so the last step is you can simply reinstall the application. Simple uninstall it and reinstall using the App Store and Google Play Store. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.